Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to change background color on Instagram stories. Make sure to subscribe to Fix-It for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up the Instagram application. At the top of the page, you will see your profile icon with a plus symbol. Tap on it. Now select a photo from your gallery that you want to post. After that, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Draw Go Ahead and select any color that you want to be your background. Also, you can tap on this color picker icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and pick a color from your photo. Or you can select these colors. You can also long press on these colors to select the exact color that you like. Once you have selected your background color, tap and hold the photo and then tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Now you have a background, so now in order to add photos to this, simply tap on the sticker icon at the top, scroll down a little bit and tap on the photo symbol. Once you have added the photo to your background, you can change the size of it, move it around, rotate it, and you can tap on the photo